Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, Sirius satellite radio, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.